Steve here, NRC, and today I want to show you guys all the upgrades I did to my Vivi electric bike here. You know, I use it on the channel to bring RC cars to the park sometimes, and I also use it on my other channel, Fishing with PH, on fishing trips. I bring the rods and go ride to the ponds. So I'll show you my upgrades. First off, I got a new stem here. This is a zoom stem. And this adjusts the height much higher if you want the handlebars up straighter. I had to get an adapter because this is a newer style that bolts on for the newer style bikes. They don't use the threaded ball bearing set anymore. So that's what I did for that. I got a water bottle holder here, and I'll show you here. I got this pump right here. It's a nice little mini pump, and it goes on right there. I put it. That's nice to have when you get a flat, and it comes with patches and everything. I put them inside here by the battery in a little pouch, or in case you get stuck. They give you a self-adhesive one, just stick on real quick, and then I have one tire remover fork thing here. Alright, let's see what else I did to it. I got this, this is a speedometer. I forget who makes it. X-Course or something, I think it is. I'm not sure. I'll link it below, but this is nice. I got new pedals. These are the original ones. They were kind of small, so I got these ones. You can see they're much wider, better grip. What else did I do to this thing here? I got a CRAIN Creek shock post. I had to cut a little bit of the post off to fit it in, but these elastomers here pop out. They give you 3 of them, soft, medium, and hard, and they go in there and it adjusts. You can see, I'll try to show you here. You see it goes down, so that'll give you more suspension. You don't really need that, but this shock here only got like probably 10 millimeters of travel or so it's not much. And another tip on this, guys, unscrew it, take it apart and unscrew everything. There's like a big plastic nut, unscrew that and put some heavy tacky grease inside the barrel inside and on the shaft. Reassemble it and it runs much smoother after you do that. Alright, what else did I get for this sucker? I got a Cloud 9 seat. This is kind of wide for me. I'm not too big of a guy. I'm like 160 pounds. I may switch this out because I think it hits my legs a little bit over here too much. I may try to angle it. But anyhow, if you're a bigger person, this will be awesome because I got the one with the elastomers in here, and when I go over a big bump, I do feel them smush down. So if you're a heavier person, this will give your suspension a much better feel because that'll act like a suspension for you. So if you want something with more suspension, I recommend this. I got a little toolkit here that I put on there when I'm riding. What else did I get on this thing? Oh, I took the brakes off my mountain bike and I put these on because they're better than the stock ones. They have bigger pads. You can see the pattern. These are knobby, but the knobs are pretty close down the center, so it should still drive pretty smooth. But these stock ones that came with it, they're really cheap. Look at how flimsy they are. They flex and they bend. They're real thin. So I just took these off, but one thing I noticed is with these are specialized hard rock R's. These are 26 times 2.0, and look how close they come to that metal tab down there. So they're a little larger OD, so I'm thinking I should get some higher top end speed. I know when I unlock this in the fast mode, I got 20 miles an hour, so I'm gonna have to test that again. We'll test that to see if we get any faster speed because they're larger now. But these tires are so much better. They have like a better grip. If you go off-roading a little bit, they're much better. Like how I go fishing and stuff and I go in grass and dirt, these work a lot better. What else did I get on this thing here? Oh, I got silicone foam grips because the stock ones with the wings, I didn't like them. They were kind of hard. They're like kind of like plastic. These are real soft. They absorb vibration so don't go into your hands, which is nice. Alright, let me look this over. What else did I do? I got these nice LED lights here. You turn them on. They have different modes. Let me show you. The blinking. I usually leave them blinking when I'm riding, even in the daytime. I got one on the front and then I got one here on the back right under the seat. So that's really good. Let me shut this off. What else did I do to this thing? Let me think, guys. I think that's about it. Another thing that you may want to get also, let me get it out of here. I got this Finish Line dry lube. I use this on the chain. It's real good. What else is in my bag of tricks here? Also, on the suspension forks, I use this WPL fork boost lube. Makes it feel much smoother when you do that on there, how they say. So you may want to pick some of that up. But that's it. That's everything I did to this thing. It's working real good. I didn't have any problems with it. And we're going to go out and test the top speed now. But I'm going to use my original GPS meter because I used this one for the when I first test it in the unlock mode. When you power it on, you put it on high and you hold plus and minus for like a second, and then it goes into unlock mode. You get 20 miles an hour instead of 15. So when I had this on there, I hit 20. So I'm going to put this back on. We're going to go out and test the high speed on it and see if we could get faster than 20 miles an hour with these new tires, because they're a little bit, like I said, larger outside diameter, the OD on them. Alright, here goes the top speed on this sucker. Still the same, you get 20.1 miles an hour. I guess these tires with the knobs have a harder rolling resistance, so even though they're larger, it still only gets 20. Let me just make sure I'm in high mode. Whoops. Let me check it out really quick. We got 20.1. Average. Let me see. I'll put it on just normal miles an hour so we could see. I'm going to check if we're in high mode. Yeah, we were in high mode. We're in high mode. Let's give it one more run. I guess these knobby tires with the little more spaced out knobs, they ride harder to push through on the tar. They are a little louder. Let's see what we could get up to now. You could hear the tires. see what we can get up to. 18. 20 miles an hour. 20.3 was the top speed. So that looks like it. It's about the same. I guess the wider tires with the more knobs are harder to push on the tar. So you get about the same top speed. So there you have it, guys. That's all my upgrades. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. Hit that bell so you don't miss future videos. Leave a comment. I'll try to answer any questions I can. And I'll see you next time.